You're going to get to that point too. You're not going to be surprised. You're not going to be gasping in panic and having anxiety attacks because you're watching real-time price action. You want to anticipate how price is going to deliver based on the concepts that I'm sharing with you. And over time, you're going to get better at this than you probably expect to. And that's going to be a wonderful testimony that I can't wait to hear from. You want to know what's going on. What's the science? What's the technical fucking science? Why the market's going to go above that? Where's it going? Well, here you go. The technical science, ICT delivers. There's a fucking algorithm, folks. It's literally booking price based on what I'm showing you here. It's not in books. But you have to start where? Ground zero. Understand where liquidity is. That's going to act as a draw or a magnet on price. If it's going to go up, why is it going to go up there? There's orders up there. It has nothing to do with any other Mickey Mouse fucking patterns that may be below that. That's your religion. That's what that is. You have a cult-like mindset if you believe in supply and demand, Elliott wave, harmonic patterns, animal patterns, trend lines, moving average crossover. None of that shit is the catalyst for why price went up there. The orders resting above those fucking highs, that's the real reason why. There's no other reason why. Zero. You honestly fucking believe that these investment banks, these large funds, these firms out there are literally swinging on the hopes and fucking prayers of these animal fucking harmonic patterns? You really fucking believe that? Like, really? There's billions of dollars being shuffled every day. And you think, honestly, you think that that shit is what they're using? These fucking people laugh at that stuff because it's nonsense. It's the equivalent of the same thing as the last time my elbow was aching. The market went down. I'm going to be a short seller today. It's the equivalent of that. There has to be scientific, something tangible behind it. And you may not agree with an algorithm being here. You may not agree with that's what's really going on. Put that aside. Put that aside for a moment. Is this not more palatable if I'm showing you how to use market structure in a lesson I've already taught, institutional market structure? I'm showing you an advanced version of that, using the logic as to why I called live in yesterday's afternoon PM session. Some of you just don't like me, and that's the wrestling point. Some of you don't like me because you can't keep up with me because you're an educator and trying to sell shit, and you want to try to kick shit in my face and try to mar my image and stuff. Fuck all that. I don't give a fuck. You're not stopping nothing, but you're wasting time and energy because you could learn how to do this and be better and never have to thank me for it. You're wasting your time. I'm not wasting mine. I know how to do this shit. This is my stuff. I codified this stuff. You're all benefiting from your winning trades because of what I've done. You want to know why, how to, and when not to do it? That's what I'm teaching you this year. Stop worrying about all the other shit. Now, listen, folks. Listen. When you have spent 26 fucking years of your life and you look at the market like this every day and you tolerate these fucking imbeciles all over the world that try to troll and they try to fucking make a name for themselves and talk shit, okay? And don't ever bring nothing equivalent to this, not even close. We're not even in the same fucking neighborhood. You are learning the highest fucking form of financial information as a part of speculation. Nothing else is better. Nothing else is more superior to this, okay? This is the shit that Enigma really fucking implements. And you wonder, and you honestly fucking wonder, how am I so accurate? How does he fucking know? I'm using all of this technical fucking science. You're seeing it live. I'm calling it. I'm telling you what's going to happen. Now I'm out here fucking telling you every individual candle. Really? And you still can't fucking believe me? At this point, I don't give a fuck if you believe me. I don't care. I'm having fun. And I know a lot of you today, because you've walked through this exercise, you literally are jacked the fuck up right now. You're jacked up. You're probably vibrating right now. You're excited because there's nothing random in these markets. There's nothing fucking random in these markets. Not one fucking bit of randomness. Nothing is random. Even when there's manual intervention, when a rate announcement or some Mickey Mouse shit that comes out of nowhere, they rip the markets really, really far, but you're going to look real close and see it's just to a volume imbalance. It's just to a fair value gap. It's just a bump right below a low or a high. Everything I teach you, but I can't humanly predict how far a manual intervention or when a manual intervention come in. Black swan event, some kind of unannounced bullshit. That's the inherent risk of trading. That's always there. And sometimes you'll get hurt from it. That's the risk that every one of us assumes when we speculate. So why are you not teaching with a live account? Because I'm teaching in the most responsible manner I can. I know you want me to put you in live trades. I know you want to do this right away and make money because you'll feel stronger. You'll feel more confident. You'll feel more energized and more plugged in, and you'll be more motivated to study more because then you'll be making money. Whereas right now with a demo, I'm not inspired. If this kind of lesson and this precision doesn't inspire you, get the fuck out of here. Seriously.